Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to prepare this easy fried chicken recipe. Here I have 1 kilo of freshly cut chicken, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to let this boil on a low heat for 10 minutes. Next, for the marinade, in a clean and empty bowl, I've added 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, a small pinch of salt, and some lemon juice or a lime. I've used lemon juice, but you can also use 1 lime. Both options are possible. And I've mixed this. Marinate your chicken in this for approximately half an hour before frying. Add some oil to a frying pan, and once this is very hot, add in your chicken and deep fry this for approximately half an hour. Decorate my chicken and add some flavour and colour. I've prepared some coriander leaves as well as cherries picked from the garden. I added both of these to my chicken and this was the end result. This dish is so simple and easy to make and can be made in about an hour, and it's great for presentation to put on table spreads. It can be had with roti, paratha, and it can also be had with rice, anything you fancy, and it can be had on its own too, even with salad. And of course it tastes amazing. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe for similar content, like our video, and leave a comment down below. Till next time, bye!